What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video from Bulls of the Wall Trading. I hope everybody had a great morning today. This is going to be my recap video for October 19th, 2017. Before I get into it, I just want to let you guys know that I am not a financial planner or a financial advisor, so please do your own research, and no company is sponsoring me to do or to use any of their systems or their platforms. Let me fix this camera. It's kind of crooked. Oh. Alright, so let's get into it. So with the ones that I wanted to keep an eye on, again, I'm not going to go over the ones that have low volume because they do not interest me. So let's go here, and let's start with AMPE. And this one just cracked a million. So we had our line all the way up here at $1.34. It never quite went up there, so we didn't miss much there. PLX is the next one on the list. I believe this one we had it at $1 is where we wanted to get in on. Yeah, so we had our line at $1. It never quite made it up. Didn't miss much there. ADHD, this one was one of my top 4 or top 6, and I actually missed the boat on this one. So let me tell you what happened. I had my line right here last night. If you follow my watch list, you would have seen this. I drew my line at 140, and it broke through that line as soon as the pre-market opened, and it just went all the way up to $1.88. So what I wanted to happen with this one was to for the break above $1.88. Did I not zoom in? So at the open, it kind of went down and it started coming back up. So I had my order ready on UStockTrade because, again, I trade on UStockTrade and I do all my charting on Thinkorswim. So I had my order ready at 188. But as soon as I saw 188 and I hit send my order or confirm order, it blew past 188, and by the time my order was sent in, it was already at, I think, $1.90 or so. So I didn't get filled in at the price that I wanted, and I wasn't going to chase the stock. That's one of my rules. I don't chase the stock, so I just let it go. But as you can see, once it broke 188, it had a big run to $2.17. Once it reached 217, it came back down, so I drew a new line at 217, hoping that later in the day it'll come back up and hopefully break above 217, and then I might take a little trade there, but it doesn't look like it's going to do that. So it just moved very quickly for me. I wasn't fast enough to get in, and I just had to let it go. The other continuation plays, again, I'm skipping everything that's under $1 million in volume. There really wasn't anything today when the market opened. I actually had this closed because everything was under $1 million. All of these right here, they just reached $1 million, and they don't look good. So I'm not even gonna go over these because they just reached $1 million. This one broke through, but again, you know, it had low volume right when the market opened, so I didn't even take a look at it. It's about 11 a.m. here on the East Coast, and this has 1.4 million, whereas ADHD has 24 million. So there's a huge difference. I didn't bother looking at this one because of the low volume. Same thing with ATRS, really low volume at the market, at the pre-market, so didn't even bother looking at that one. So the other ones that I had picked out in the morning scanner was PSTI. What happened? PSTI, oh come on, get rid of that. So PSTI reached highs of $1.91. So instead of getting in at 191, I would much rather get in at the $2 mark. And my line should be up there. There it is, at $2. Actually, this one I would have gotten in at $2.02 because $2.02 was a previous resistance point. But as you can tell, it went down, and this one hasn't even reached $1 million. ONCS was another one that I had picked out in my morning scanner. Give me 1 second. So this one, I had it in my morning scanner. It reached highs of $1.85, but it just came crashing down, and after the market opened, it came down as well. RGSC is another one that I had. I had high hopes for this one because of the sharp move that it made to $2.83, and at the open, it just went down, started to come back up, but it never really came back to that $2.83 mark that we drew. So the top four that I had were RGSC, ONCS, PSTI, and ADHD. ADHD was my top one, but again, I missed my entry point, so I chose to not chase the stock. I did take a trade on a different stock that I found. Let me see if I remember the name. Hold on. IMMY. So this one I didn't have in my morning scanner. This one I just found it randomly. So as you can tell, it had this big spike. So I think I found it like right around here. So what I did is I put my line right here at the high point at 269, and I decided to trade this as soon as it broke that line. Like I mentioned yesterday, for those of you that watched my recap video, is that I am starting now to trade the daily high as well, not just the pre-market high or previous day high, but I'm starting to trade the daily high. So I recognized the daily high at 269, and as soon as it broke that 269, I got in and rode this for a quick little gain. I should have stayed in a little longer, but I just wanted to lock in a little bit of profit, and that's what I did right here. So let me change this to a 1 minute candle so you guys don't get confused. So these are 1 minute candles, so I drew my line right here at the high of the day at that point, and as soon as it started coming up, I had my order ready, and as soon as it touched that 268, I got in, and I got out really quickly. I just wanted to get a little profit, and I got out really quickly. So those are the four that I had today. I don't know how I just did that, but as you can tell, it's 11 a.m. I don't know how to get rid of that. Let me see, escape. All right, and that about does it. I mean, I guess what I wanted to show you guys is how fast things can move. You know, within a second, I missed this big opportunity, but it's no big deal. You live to trade another day, and if you are interested in still trading, what you can do on this one is draw a line right here at 279, and your mentality would be for the price to start coming up and cross above 279 with good volume, which I think this one has. Yeah, this one has good volume. This one's definitely over a million. So that about does it, guys. This is again my recap for October 19th, 2017. I hope you guys find these videos educational and helpful. I hope you guys are learning. Be on the lookout for my watch list video later tonight. Please like and subscribe if you want to keep seeing this type of content, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment and I'll clarify everything. I appreciate everybody that's following me. I love doing this. I love making these videos. It gives me an opportunity to share what I know, and I just really enjoy that. So thank you, everybody. Check back in later, and have a great rest of your day, everybody. Thanks so much.